In front of me is HUAWEI P Smart 2021 NFC, and let me show you how to activate SwiftKey Autocorrection. So first of all, you need to reach Settings, then find and select System and Updates, and here you will notice Language and Input. Smoothly tap on it, and here you will notice SwiftKey keyboard, so just check if it's marked. So once it is marked, click on it, and now select Type In. And here you need to click on Type In and Autocorrect, and tap on Autocorrect unless it is active, just like this. And from now on, autocorrection in your SwiftKey keyboard is active. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.